Respected Principal Madam, the chief guest of this day, my dear teachers and parents, and my beloved children, I feel honored and immensely happy to welcome you on the 7th International Day of Yoga, which is scheduled to be observed today on the 21st June 2021 at Kendriya Vidyalaya, Tiruvannamalai, a holy district which falls within the state of Tamil Nadu. And this day is initiated out of the efforts of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, when he was called to address in the United General Assembly in 2014, when a historical decision taken by him to declare the 21st of June as an International Day of Yoga. Since then, and this day has been celebrated worldwide with a zeal and vigor. And this day we proclaim to the world citizens the pride of India, the pride of the country, yoga, which is being practiced by our ancestors 1000 years ago. And the preparations are already underway. Before a week time, with the guidance of our PT sir, Shri Ravindra Kumar Dhuru, under the overall guidance of Dr. Rima Stella Jayachandran, the dynamic leader and the head of the institution of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tiruvannamalai, on my personal behalf and on behalf of the staff and parents and students, I welcome our principal madam to the virtual mode occasion. I welcome you, ma'am. I would like to welcome all our beloved staff and parents who are available on the virtual mode to celebrate the International Day of Yoga at our Vidyalaya. And I also take this opportunity to welcome our beloved students who are contributing yoga demonstrations at our request. I'm very happy to welcome Kumari A. Trisha of class 12, Master A. Hariharan of class 10, and Master A. Sachin of class 10. It is a pride that all the three are siblings of the same family. Lastly, I welcome Shri Amol, PGT Physics, who has consented to propose vote of thanks at the culmination of this event through virtual mode. Once again, I welcome each and every one who is available with us in the virtual mode of celebration of this International Day of Yoga. Thank you.
legs stretched forward, straight in front of you. Inhale, raise both arms above your head and stretch up. Exhale, bend forward from the hip, chin moving towards toes. Place your hands on your legs wherever they reach without harming yourself. This posture calms your mind, stretches the spine, shoulder, and improves digestion. It soothes headache and anxiety. Now, slowly stretch the arms. Inhale and come up to the sitting position. Exhale, lower the arms and relax. Stand straight. Inhale and gently raise your hands above your head. Bend forward. Make sure that the knees are not bent. And try to touch your knees with your chin. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. And this posture calms the brain and helps relieve stress and mild depression. Stimulates liver and kidneys. Strengthen the thighs and knees. Inhale, stretch your arms. Slowly raise above. Exhale and relax yourself. Sit erect with your legs stretched forward. Slowly fold your left leg and bring it under right thigh. Similarly, fold your right leg and bring it under your left thigh. This posture eliminates stress and anxiety, induces calmness of mind. You get fresh energy and rejuvenated.
Greetings to all on the occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day. We all know that we are going through a high crisis, and the common dictum, if health is lost, something is lost, has changed now. We understood during this testing time that health is as important as our character. We should take care of our health, not only for our own well-being, but also for the well-being of the people around us and of our society. Practicing yoga is the best and effective way to keep our health in good spirit. Breathing exercise, meditation, and different asanas or postures will help us to maintain our body within the correct parameters. Dear children, always keep in mind that while practicing different postures, it should be done under the supervision and guidance of a trainer. But daily meditation can be practiced by each and every student. This will surely help you in increasing your concentration power and memory power. And also, it will help you to get a peaceful state of mind. So on this momentous day, I urge all the students and parents to promote and practice yoga. Let us make it a practice to promote sound health, mentally and physically, in ourselves as well as the people around us, because it has become the need of the hour. I take this opportunity to congratulate and personally thank Sri Ravindra Kumar Dhruv, the PET of this Vidyalaya, for all his trainers' efforts in promoting yoga in this Vidyalaya. I also thank all the class teachers for their efforts in promoting yoga among their class students. Jai Hind.
Hello and good morning to all. So I take the opportunity to present the vote of thanks on the occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day. So first and foremost, I would like to thank all the parents and students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Tiruvannamalai who wholeheartedly participated in all the activities, in the week-long activities where they presented yoga, where they sent the photographs and videos. So it was indeed a very good job done by all the students. So I thank each and every one of them. I also would like to thank Mr. Ravindra, who is our sports teacher, who organized this week-long program and also today's function. So I'd like to thank Mr. Ravindra for his hard work. Also Mr. Kannan for presenting the virtual Mass PT today, and all the students who participated in the same. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teachers and our principal ma'am who supported the students in presenting these programs in a very fruitful manner. Thank you.